Hi everyone, welcome back to AI Powerhouse. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a transcript of your YouTube videos. This can be helpful for a variety of reasons, such as creating closed captions for your videos, making them more accessible to people with hearing impairments, or simply for reference purposes. There are two main ways to get a transcript of your YouTube videos: online transcription and using a downloaded video. Online transcription. To use online transcription, simply go to the website called youtubetranscription.com and enter the URL of the YouTube video you want to transcribe. The service will then generate a transcript of the video and display it on the website. Using a downloaded video. To use a downloaded video, simply go to website riverside.fm. Open it on the website. The website will then transcribe the video and then you just copy the transcript. If you have this video helpful, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.